Hi there. So today I'm going to make some t-shirts, and I'm going to spray them with color and put a stencil on them so that the color reveals the image. So first of all, you start with an image that you like, you print it out, then you trace it out onto freezer paper. Freezer paper has plastic on one side, you can see the shiny side, and so you will trace your image on the other side. Then you cut it out. Once it's cut out, you iron the stencil onto the t-shirt, and the plastic kind of melts and makes it stick to the t-shirt. Then you choose your colors. This is the first time I'm trying this, so bear with me if it doesn't work out. It is what it is. I've got the tie-dye colors here, and I'm just going to put them together. And then, as you can see, my shirts are ready. I've brought them outside. I've put something inside the shirt so that the color doesn't bleed through to the other side. And so here we go. Now, they give you these nice little gloves here and rubber bands because it's for tie-dyeing, but I'm not doing tie-dye. I'm going to try something else. So, always wear protective gloves. The dye powder is inside the bottle, and you fill it to the line. And I've got some water that I've warmed up a bit. I don't know that it has to be warm, but I decided to do it that way. All right, so I've mixed all my dye, and now I'm going to transfer it into these spray bottles. You can see it's pretty dark. So I've got a blue, a green, and a turquoise. All right, now it's time to spray. I guess I'll start with the blue. And I want it more saturated around the symbol that I'm highlighting. And let's try some green. And some turquoise. All right. Now I'll do the reverse side. All right, I think that's it for the color. So the next thing I'm going to do is, they want it to be wrapped in plastic and left to sit for 6 to 8 hours. Okay, so it's the next day now, and I've let it sit overnight, longer than what was recommended, but I just thought it would be a good idea to do that. So I'm going to uncover them. That's not too bad. So the next step is to rinse and wash and dry. And I'll show you guys what it looks like after that's done. Hi. So I let the shirt sit overnight. The instructions say to let it sit 6 to 8 hours or longer, so I let it sit longer. So the next day I rinsed it and I washed it, and I'm going to show it to you guys now. And here it is, the finished product. The stencil turned out really nice. And you can see the different colors. That's it. Thanks for watching.